Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a Wyoming sales tax permit, also called as a Wyoming resale certificate online. This is helpful because it lets you legally collect sales tax and it can help you avoid paying sales tax when buying items that you plan to resell. Alright, let's start. So first go to wyifs.wy.gov. This is the official Wyoming Internet Filling System when you register for sales tax. On the home page, click New Users, click here to sign up. We click this because we're creating an account. Next, you'll see the Terms and Conditions page. Read it, then check the box saying that you've read it and click I agree to the terms and conditions. This is required so that you can continue. After that, you'll land on Register for a WYIFS account. It will ask if you've filed a return with Wyoming before. If this is your first time, click No. We choose No because we're registering brand new. Now you'll get the registration form. Fill in your business details like legal entity type and business name, the FEIN and website if you have them. Then add your business location address. So this should be your real business location, not a virtual office. After that, enter your mailing address and contact info like your name, phone number, and email. Double check everything, then click continue. So from there, finish the remaining details the system asks for. And once approved, you'll have to access to your sales tax account and your resale certificate. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.